To send money from Morocco to Kenya, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, you need to choose a money transfer service that operates in both countries, such as Western Union, MoneyGram, or Zoom. These services allow you to send money online or in person. Next, you will need to gather the necessary information, including the recipient's full name, address, and phone number in Kenya. You will also need to provide identification and proof of address, such as a passport or national ID card. Once you have chosen a money transfer service and gathered the necessary information, you can start the transfer process. If you are sending money online, you will need to create an account with the service and log in to initiate the transfer. If you are sending money in person, you will need to visit a local agent location. At the agent location, you will need to fill out a transfer form and provide the necessary identification and information. The agent will then process the transfer and give you a receipt with a tracking number. To complete the transfer, you will need to pay the transfer fee and the amount you want to send. The transfer fee will vary depending on the service you use and the amount you are sending. After the transfer is complete, the recipient in Kenya can pick up the money at a local agent location. They will need to provide identification and the tracking number to receive the money. It is also possible to send money directly to a bank account in Kenya. To do this, you will need to provide the recipient's bank account information, including the account number and routing number. It is recommended to compare the fees and exchange rates of different money transfer services before making a transfer. This will help you find the best option for your needs and save you money. In addition, it is a good idea to check the transfer limits and any restrictions that may apply to sending money from Morocco to Kenya. Some services may have daily or monthly transfer limits, and some countries may have restrictions on the amount of money that can be sent or received. Overall, sending money from Morocco to Kenya is a relatively straightforward process that can be completed online or in person. By following these steps and choosing a reputable money transfer service, you can ensure that your money is delivered safely and efficiently.